Can AI replace us?
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
OpenAI.
I mean, who needs developers when AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot can code, debug, and build websites faster than we can? Today, I'm challenging it to see if it's truly ready to steal our jobs, or if we still have the upper hand. Hey everyone, in this vid, we're going to find out how good the AI models are. I'm using VS Code, where GitHub Copilot integrates directly into the editor. Let's try by giving it a few tasks, ranging from basic coding to building a small website. Let's see how it does the work. Alright, first, let's start simple. I'll ask Copilot to write a function to calculate the factorial of a number. Let's see how it handles this. Looks good. The code is correct, and it worked perfectly, but it didn't include edge cases or comments. That's something to note. Now let's try something a bit complicated. Create a simple web page with an HTML form and some CSS styling. Here we go. Wow, it created a neat form in seconds. But look at this. There's no validation. I might have to tweak it for functionality. Finally, let's try something more dynamic. I'll ask Copilot to create a simple to-do list with JavaScript. Let's test its skills. It got most of it right. The functionality works, but the code could use some optimization. Overall, I'm impressed. So, what do I think about GitHub Copilot? It's a great tool for inspiration and speeding up coding. But remember, it's not a substitute for learning or manual debugging. Always review the code it generates. What do you think? Have you tried GitHub Copilot? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.